When considering a new water filter for your Whirlpool refrigerator, the Whirlpool EDRARXD1 water filter emerges as a strong contender. It's like a silent guardian for your water. This filter, often sold as a single pack, consistently delivers. It tackles impurities head-on. Many users find installation very simple. You just twist it into place. Furthermore, it feels sturdy and well-made. This gives you confidence. Therefore, you know it will do its job well. This filter truly is a workhorse. It helps ensure clean, clear water every time. The Whirlpool EDRARXD1 water filter goes to work immediately. It diligently filters out many contaminants. Imagine it as a tiny, powerful sieve. It catches unwanted particles. You might notice a difference in taste. Your water could taste fresher and cleaner. Moreover, your ice cubes will look clearer. This is a subtle yet important sign. This filter isn't just about taste. It also helps reduce chlorine. Also, it reduces other common impurities. Consequently, your family gets better water. It truly is an essential kitchen component. Overall, the Whirlpool EDRARXD1 water filter is a wise investment. It's a small price for big peace of mind. Changing it regularly is important. Otherwise, it won't perform optimally. Think of it as changing your car's oil. It keeps things running smoothly. This filter is compatible with many Whirlpool models. Therefore, check your refrigerator's manual. You can easily find the correct filter. So, consider this filter for your home. It's an easy upgrade. It improves your drinking water significantly. Pros: easy to install, fits and works, water tastes great, water tastes fresh, correct fitment. Quicker shipping, good quality product, good price, recommended by manufacturer, fast shipping. No need to buy bottled water. Cons: doesn't last claimed 6 months, only lasts 5 months, initial charcoal discharge, must flush new. Filter life shorter for one person. Features: reduces 28 contaminants, certified by NSF, easy to install, fresh, clean water, Whirlpool genuine part, lasts 6 months, filters lead, removes chlorine taste. Reduces pharmaceuticals, single pack. The everydrop by Whirlpool refrigerator water filter. EDRARXD1 is a single water filter that helps you get fresh, clean water from your refrigerator. It is certified by NSF, which means it meets high standards for reducing 28 different contaminants, including lead, chlorine taste, and pharmaceuticals. This genuine Whirlpool part is easy to install and will last for 6 months before needing to be replaced. The everydrop Whirlpool refrigerator water filter. EDRARXD1 is a good choice for clean, fresh tasting water. It's easy to install, fits correctly, and is a quality product that's often recommended by the manufacturer. While it promises a 6-month lifespan, some users find it only lasts about 5 months, especially for single-person households. You'll also need to flush the filter when new to clear any initial charcoal. Despite these minor issues, its good price and quick shipping make it a convenient way to avoid buying bottled water.